Hey guys, how's it going? Here doing a video. As you guys can see, my windshield is really cracked on my 2020 freightliner cascadia here. Guys are coming to get it fixed. When I called them, they said they didn't have a windshield for 2020. I'm making this video because everybody asked questions about will the 2018 windshield fit on the 2019 and 2020s. Well, we shall find out when the guy gets here in about 15 to 20 minutes and see if it fits. So stay tuned. I'll be back with you as soon as the guy gets here and he starts installing it, and I'm gonna see if he'll let me film it while he is putting it in. So we will see those answers in a little while. Stay tuned. ¿Está bien si le hago el video mientras lo hace?
Está bien, no hay problema.
Well, hey guys, here the guy is taking off the window, and once again they're putting on a 2018 glass on the Cascadia 2020. He took off the moldings, he took off the windshield wipers, and right after that, from the inside, he started pushing out, and there you go, slipped right out. A little bit of effort, he slipped it out. This is a 2018 glass, and here they are replacing it. These are the guys from the auto glass factory. For anybody who needs their glass from their Cascadia has changed, well, now we know 2018 fits on 2020. There's their number, there's their name. Not getting paid for putting them on here, just letting you guys know. And price may vary, I guess, per truck, but pricey. I just can say it wasn't that bad, actually. It was actually better than most places. The guy just basically took it off. Guy really knows what he's doing. This guy's a freaking ninja with the bandana and shit. Look at that, making sure the glass is nice and clean, which everybody replacing the glass should be doing. Cleaning them before installing. Now everybody, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Not that I have a lot of content, but I do what I can, at least to help people with things that I've needed help with, or questions that I had and had answered, like this one. Mine's a 2020 Cascadia, and the problem was they couldn't find a 2020 windshield, so they had a 2018 and brought it in, measured, everything's the same. So guys, 2018, 2019, 2020 is glass is all the same, as long as you got no sensors on the windshield, should be good. Mine has no sensors, so we're good. Let's go over here and see if we can see. It's gonna be backwards probably, but you guys can see the numbers there for the windshield. Now let's just watch these guys do their job. They're putting the silicone on there nicely. This guy's really professional. He's changing gloves after touching that adhesive, the caulking, so he doesn't get it all over the other side of the truck, so which is nice. Keeping everything clean. Obviously my truck's not as clean as can be, but at least he's trying to keep all that caulking off the truck.
Sí. Ok, listo, vamos. Déjame, le voy a echar esta primera.
Looks like he's spraying some type of soapy water on the gasket there for the windshield to kind of slide right under as easy as possible. And once again, if you guys liked this video, helped you out with your question of if this windshield 2018s fit the 2019s and 2020s, please share, like, and subscribe. And hopefully help somebody else as well with the same question. Freaking guy picking it up by himself. Don't know how really heavy it is, but it looks like he knows what he's doing. Doing this for quite a while, it looks like it.
¿Cómo está ahí contigo? Échale para abajo. Ahí está, ahí está. Si quieres, empezamos a meter un lado primero. ¿Ah?
Right now they're just flipping the gasket on there over the windshield to prevent the leakage from water.
¿Cuál? Voy a hacer ahorita que voy a meter y tú te vas a quedar aquí sacándolo. Así, mira. No, porque si le puchamos mal se nos quiebra. Ahí va.
And there it is, guys. It is in. Now they just need to put back in the locking what would you call that? Molding. It's also made out of rubber, it just goes around it, I guess. So, took that off in the first. Well, there it is, guys. 2018 glass on 2020 Cascadia. Well, I'm gonna stop boring you guys with this since we know it fits. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry it was long and boring, but it got our question out of the way. 2018 glass fits on 2018, 2019, and obviously 2020 Cascadia without sensors and whatnot. Oh, guys, thanks for watching. Please share, that we can help everybody else that has these questions on this type of situation here with the glass. Like it and subscribe, please. Y'all have a great day.